Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadi allazina istafa amma ba'd, fawzu billahi minash shaitani rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. My honorable elder and younger, my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is our topic also Islam, the religion of human nature. In this regard, part 3 will be described now. As in the Holy Quran, and Allah will not mislead a people after He has guided them, in order that He may make clear to them what to fear and avoid, for Allah has knowledge of all things. Those who behave arrogantly on the earth in defense of right, them I will turn away from my signs. Even if they see all the signs, they will not believe in them. And if they see the way of Allah, of right conduct, they will not adopt it, as the way of error is the way fail to take warning from them. Surah number 7, verse number 146, and Surah number 9 and verse 115. Who is it then that remains on the best mold and keeps himself away from the indignities of the world? In the verses of the Surah S.W.T, occurring immediately after those quoted above, the answer is given: except such as believe and do the righteous deeds. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. Now we come to this conclusion that the outcome of faith and the righteous deeds is the excellence of moral character. There is a counter to the wicked nature. Islam stands vis-a-vis man's pure nature, and its strength and firmness has been discussed. As regards its dealing with evil natures, that has also been made clear. Islam warns mischievous people. It places its reins in the hands of healthy intellect. It encourages bowing down to the pure nature and to surrender itself to Allah. The Prophet has hinted, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, at some of these kinds of nature. The son of Adam reaches old age, and two of his habits do not leave him. One is greed, and the second is the unending succession of hope. It is referenced by the Sahih Muslim. The worst evil found in men is the frightening cowardice and the undignifying miserliness. It is referenced by Abu Dawood. If the son of Adam is given a valley of gold, he will desire to have another one. And if the other is also given, he will be greedy to have the third one. The hunger of Adam's sons will not be satisfied except when his remains are mixed with the dust. And and the one who turns to Allah, Allah accept his repentance. It is a reference by Bukhari. Now this regard, part 4 will be described on the other day. Almighty Allah make us true Muslim and give us power to follow the true teaching of Quran and Sunnah. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। तालीम दीन कोर्स बाद ज़निबा मग़रिब हर उम्र के अफराद के लिए इस मौके से फ़ायदा उठाएँ, ख़ुसूसन तलबा के लिए जो कॉलेज के तलबा हैं या मैट्रिक के तलबा हैं। इसमें आपका अपना फ़ायदा है। एड्रेस दिया गया है, उसको पढ़ लें और ज्वाइन करें। 3 किताब जो मुफ्त दिए जाएंगे, बिल्कुल मुफ्त कोर्स अपनी आखिरत बनाने के लिए। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल and like for more videos. Assalamu alaikum.